In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Apple Pay to buy V-Bucks. By the end, you'll know exactly how to complete the purchase from your iPhone, iPad, or Mac using Safari with a smooth, secure checkout through Apple Pay. First, open the Safari browser on your device. Using Safari ensures Apple Pay is available during checkout. If you don't see Safari on your home screen, pull down to search for it. A quick tip before we continue: make sure Apple Pay is already set up in your device settings with a valid card and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. That way, checkout is quick and you won't hit any roadblocks. Next, in the Safari address bar, search for Epic Games V-Bucks and select the official Epic Games Store result. You'll know you're in the right place if the address shows the Epic Games domain and you see the secure padlock icon. Avoid third-party sites. Sticking to Epic ensures your purchase is safe and the V-Bucks go to the correct account. On the Epic Games Store page, choose the amount of V-Bucks you want to buy. Take a moment to review the price in your local currency and confirm you're signed into the right Epic Games account in your browser, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Selecting the correct amount now prevents accidental extra purchases later. When you're ready, tap Buy Now. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Apple account. Enter your Apple account details as requested and follow any on-screen security prompts. This keeps your payment and identity protected. At checkout, choose Apple Pay as your payment method. You'll see your default card, billing details, and the total. If needed, you can switch cards or update billing within the Apple Pay sheet before you confirm. Since V-Bucks are a digital item, you typically won't need a shipping address. Now confirm the purchase using Face ID, Touch ID, or your device passcode. Follow the on-screen prompt. On some devices, you may be asked to double press a side button to finalize. Wait a moment while the payment processes. Don't exit the page until you see confirmation. Once confirmed, your V-Bucks will be added to your Epic Games account. If you're in Fortnite, a quick refresh or relaunch may help the new balance appear right away. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Apple Pay tips and tutorials.